Welcome to 152 Swann Court, a breathtaking waterfront retreat in the charming coastal town of Reedville, Virginia. Nestled on a peaceful cul-de-sac, this stunning home offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and endless water views. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the timeless charm of this home. Imagine waking up every morning to the gentle sounds of the water, sipping coffee on your expansive deck, or setting sail from your very own private dock. Step inside to discover a beautifully designed interior, where large windows bathe the space in natural light. The open concept living area is perfect for entertaining, featuring a cozy fireplace and breathtaking water views from nearly every room. A U-shaped kitchen with stunning water views where every meal comes with a breathtaking backdrop and seamless flow for cooking, entertaining, and soaking in the beauty of the waterfront. Retreat to your luxurious primary suite where you can wake up to breathtaking waterfront views. The beautifully appointed bathrooms feature elegant finishes, modern fixtures, and a serene ambiance, making every day feel like a getaway. But the true magic of 152 Swann Court lies in its outdoor paradise. Whether you're fishing off your private dock, kayaking through scenic waterways, or enjoying a sunset dinner on the deck, this home offers the ultimate waterfront lifestyle. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a slice of paradise in Reedville. Call today to schedule your private tour and make this waterfront dream home your reality. For more information or to schedule a showing, contact Melissa Edwards at 804-832-4252 or Melissa at riversedgerealtygroup.com. Your dream home awaits.
When you're looking for a place to call your own, River's Edge Realty will guide you home. From the shorelines to the city streets, we're here to help where dreams and real estate meet. River's Edge.